Hello, Franklin High School. Want to share some thoughts, photos, and opinions with the yearbook staff and be a part of FHS history? Any FHS student can contribute. Just visit a yearbook page on the FHS website. Everybody knows that website. You can show off your homework space, your video game collection. What video games do you have, Mr. McCusker?
Pong.
Wow, good one. Frogger?
Pong.
Okay, got it. You can show off your homework space. Oh, I read that already. Disregard that. There's something for everyone. You can also find updated information for portraits, senior superlatives, and senior quotes.
Very good. You know, I've been in every single yearbook at FHS. They started in 1908.
Wow.
Right.
Congratulations.
Hey, juniors, thank you. The PSAT is going to be administered here at the school on January 26th. So this is only for juniors. It's optional, but it is an opportunity to take the PSAT for free. Bus transportation will be provided, if it's usually provided to get you to school. And we all will be following COVID-19 protocols in terms of spacing and mitigation. So, students need to register by Wednesday, December 16th. You can go to the Franklin High School website, which apparently everyone knows, and register. Again, this is just for juniors. Take advantage of this.
Also, students, current 9th through 11th graders, we will have our virtual open house for course registration so you can learn more about different courses and programs that will be offered for next school year. More information will be coming out on Schoology later today, but we hope you all stop by and visit some of our great programs and teachers next week, Wednesday, December 16th.
Nice. Speaking of registering for things, it's time to register for spring virtual sports, which start on Monday. So go to the Franklin High website, go to the athletics page, and be sure to register. You do need to register in order to participate on Monday.
All right, last one. Today we get to showcase another senior who's going to continue participating in athletics at the college level. Senior Kyra Cohen has signed a letter of intent to attend the Goldie Beacom College in Wilmington, Delaware, where she'll be playing women's soccer. Congratulations, Kyra, and good luck.
Okay, that's all for today, Franklin. Have a great day.